Sana man lang, out of courtesy and respect sa Masungi, they should have been invited. Kasi nga po, yung Masungi Geo Reserve, napakaraming awards po natanggap yan. Ang DNR set to cancel their contract. They might have the legal right to do so, but hindi man lang nila kinonsider itong awards na natanggap na Masungi. Therefore, they're more than qualified.
But the land is a protected area owned by the government. It cannot be given to any private entity.
Yung experience ng Masungi, pwede pong magamit ng Project Transform.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masungi.
I'm not talking about Madam Spons. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know,
You
you're-
are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessmen maybe. Yung mga tusong businessmen maybe.
You have to go back to the history. They did not build socialized housing. They built a resort. And that is not the original intention of the Masungi Geo Reserve.